Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you the daily cipher word, which is miner. So for you like mining crypto coins, so today's daily word is miner. As always, we line up the letters and then we find the corresponding Morse codes. As always, we start with M. Look for M, which is dash dash, so we shall long press 2 times, dash dash. Then we look for I, which is dot dot, so we shall tap 2 times. Then we look for N, which is long press dot, N is long press dot. Then we look for E, which is a single tap. E we shall tap once. Then we look for R. R is where? Here. So we shall tap, long press, tap, tap, long press, tap. Then let us get the phone and we enter in the